Hi all. This is a short video to explain how to start the Selenium server to run RC scripts. I'll first open up the command prompt and I have the jar file saved in this particular location, executable jar file. This was downloaded from Selenium HQ. So the command to start the Selenium server is say java -jar and path of this executable jar file. Now the Selenium server is started. We can run all of our RC scripts. Alternatively, you can put this command into a notepad, save it as a .batch file, and run that batch file instead of typing this command to start the Selenium server. So let's create a batch file. First, open a notepad and type the same command, say java -jar and the path of the executable jar file. Save this file. I'll put it on the desktop as start selenium server.bat. So this is the name of the batch file, start selenium server.bat. Save it as a batch file, and this is a batch file that is created. Run this batch file to start the Selenium server. Now the Selenium server is started. What we could do is copy that batch file into the startup folder of Windows. Now this is the startup folder of Windows. Right click and then say open. Copy this batch file into a Control X and paste here into the startup folder. So what would happen is Selenium server would start every time you start this particular machine. So since this batch file is in the startup folder, Selenium server would start every time you log in into this machine or start this particular